Look, have you ever checked your bank account, saw a few $1,000s sitting there and thought, okay, I can finally breathe a little, even though you know, logically, it's not that much money? Yeah? That feeling? That's not random, and it's the exact reason your first $5,000 messes with your brain way more than your next $50,000 ever will. My name is Lucas, and I spend way too much time thinking about how money actually affects the way we think and behave. If you're someone who feels like you're doing everything right but still feels financially stressed or behind, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because here's the thing, most people completely misunderstand which milestones actually change their life. Here's what most people don't realize. Money doesn't hit your brain linearly. According to the Federal Reserve, nearly 37% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing or selling something. That means going from $0 to $5,000 isn't just saving money, it's crossing from financial fragility into basic security. That first $5,000 means you can handle a car repair, you can survive a short job loss, you stop checking your bank app 5 times a day. And psychologically, that's massive. It's like finally putting on noise-canceling headphones after living next to a highway your whole life. Why $50,000 feels weirdly normal? Now, you might be thinking, okay, but $50,000 is 10 times more. Shouldn't that feel 10 times better? Nope. This is where behavioral psychology kicks in. It's called hedonic adaptation. We quickly get used to better conditions. Once your basic safety is covered, additional money feels more abstract. Going from $0 to $5,000 equals relief. $50,000 equals numbers on a screen. The first jump changes how you live. The second mostly changes how you plan. Let's break this down with simple math. If your monthly expenses are $2,000, $5,000 equals 2.5 months of survival. $50,000 equals 25 months of survival. But here's the twist. Your brain doesn't feel 10x safer with 25 months versus 2.5 months. It just registers, I'm not in danger. This is where it gets really interesting. Once safety is covered, your brain shifts from scarcity mode to optimization mode. You stop asking, can I survive? And start asking, what should I do next? When people hit their first $5,000, they negotiate salaries more confidently. They take smarter risks. They stop making panic-based money decisions. Studies from Princeton show financial stress directly reduces cognitive performance, literally lowering your effective IQ. Removing that stress makes you smarter with money, not luckier. That's why this milestone compounds faster than later ones. If you're below $5,000, 1. Stop obsessing over investing, prioritize cash first. 2. Automate savings weekly, not monthly, behaviorally easier. 3. Treat this fund as untouchable safety, not spending money. If you're above $5,000, 1. Don't dismiss this milestone, it's your foundation. 2. Use the mental clarity to build systems, not lifestyle upgrades. 3. Separate security money from growth money. Look, wealth doesn't start with millions. It starts with silence. The silence of not being constantly worried about money. Your first $5,000 doesn't just change your bank account. It changes how you think, how you decide, and how you show up in your life. If this helped you see money differently, hit subscribe. And if you're working toward that first $5,000, you're closer than you think.